Let's see how we can set up a simple RAG using AWS and LangChain. So here's what we're going to do. In this diagram, we can see we're going to take in some data. We're going to have a list of strings, and we're going to create embeddings for each one of those strings. We're going to store the strings inside of a vector stores. We're going to be using the Facebook AI similarity search library. And from that vector store, we're going to create a retriever. The retriever, we're going to use it to find the most relevant piece of data based on the questions we ask. So here, let's take a look at the code. First, I'm importing my Bedrock model, the text model, and then I'm going to import Bedrock embeddings. So I can create my embeddings model here. And then we're using the Facebook AI similarity search library. We have bottle 3. In here, we have some sample data. We have a list of strings. You can take this as different chunks of a bigger document. So basically it just talks about Amazon Bedrock, what it is, what it offers, what the user can do, etc. So it has some information about Bedrock. Here we create our client using bottle 3. Then we create the text model using Amazon Text v1. And then here we create the text embedding model. So we have two different models. So from Bedrock embeddings, we pass the embedding model we need. We also pass the same client that we create here for both models in here. Now here we create our vector store. So we use the Facebook library from, we say from text to pass the data, and we pass the embedding model we want to use to create those embeddings. Now here we have our vector store where we have all the different embeddings. And now from the vector store, we can create a retriever. So we pass the search type we want to do, so similarity search, and then the amount of resources we want to get back. So k equals to 2. Now we can use the retriever in order to find the most relevant piece of information from this list of text, or from the embeddings actually. So let's ask this first question here. So let's run the code here. All right, so we got one document back and we asked for 2, but we got 1. Oh no, there's 2 in here, there's a list of 2. So here it says Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that provides access to a selection of foundational models. And then there's another document here that says Amazon Bedrock prioritizes data, security, privacy, blah, blah, blah. So it gave us back the 2 results we asked, and the top one